One-stop slopping. Yeah. All right. Let's go get the spider off my back.
How come I'm not in a cornfield, Elwin? How come?
Hey, they got all kinds of corn right here. You got your popcorn, caramel corn, candy corn.
Stop torturing me! I'm starving here, and now I'm cross-eyed because of this pink stuff. If I ever see that rat again...
Words. Pork rinds. That'll draw a crowd. This looks promising.
Hey, that rat!
I'm gonna get me some rats!
Oh, not these bird
going to
brains.
attack.
Let's get rid of them once and for all.
And everything! Rat on 3! 3!
Hey, wait up, Brooksy, I'm coming with you!
Yoo-hoo! Little flamingos! Come and get me!
It's Scary Guy! Pick him, Elwin!
Wait a minute! His eyes are buttons! And his hair is straw. This guy ain't real.
He's not.
No!
Oh yeah! The rat rules! Take that!
Do you know what this means?
Yeah!
What?
We could have had corn!
Well, Your Highness, you satisfied or what? Because I got a spitty hunk of pineapple upside-down cake out there with my name on it.
Yes, very satisfied. Be careful if you keep this up. Someone might think you care.
Gee, I'm all choked up.
Shirley, if I don't win the prize tomorrow, they're gonna send me to the smokehouse.
You're going to win, Wilbur. And you're going to see the snows of winter. I told you, I never break a promise.